like $1,000,000, but my money don't really feel like I do. And from the ground I built my own damn buzz. People was amazed I was still in high school, but now I'm out, and money what I'm about. Trying to get so much that I can't keep count. New kicks give me cushion like whoopee.
What's up, everybody? So this is my third day of quarantine, and I've decided to spend a day out here enjoying this beautiful day, and also working on my baby back here. Although I do this for a living, I work on everybody's cars, getting everybody's cars their paint correction and getting everything shiny. I kind of just abandoned my car, so I want to show you guys just kind of what it takes in the process of the before and after of ceramic coating your car. So let's check it out. So I just kind of want to show you guys the condition that she's in right now. I have not done nothing to her. It's been several months. It's been like 3 or 4 months, maybe even more, that I haven't washed her or nothing. Every time I do wash it, I do try to clay bar the car, and I try to get it as good as I can to last me a little longer. But today, I'm gonna start getting this thing ready to ceramic coat.
Think kind of bam bam, the was all Jamaican, with a different style, different fashion, you know? Tell me say one thing, Nancy can't understand. One thing, Nancy can't understand.
Alright, now that we wash it all down, now we rinse it all off. Work quick, you don't want the soap to dry up.
Ambition, come and say some of them ask me where me get it from. Just some of them ask me where me get it from. I told them no, it's from creation. I told them no, it's from creation. Bam bam, hey what a bam bam, bam bam dilang, bam bam, bam bam dilang, bam.
Alright, so we got the baby in the garage. She's all washed up. I haven't really done much to it, just wash it, you know, pressure wash it, and that's it. So now we're gonna go over things and see what is it that we gotta keep correcting before we apply this ceramic coating. You can see a little bit of bug stuff right here, like this little thing right here, right? Once we clay bar the car, all that's gonna come off. I can still feel some like overspray on it, a little bit of, looks like that tar, that road tar, or some kind of glue. Looks a little bit dull right here, so we're gonna polish that out. But anyways, let's begin. Let's pull out the clay bar, a bottle of water to spray. You could use a rag and a bucket, whatever works best for you. And then the roof, we're gonna not do the roof because I do want to paint the roof gloss black. I want to black out the roof, so I'm not gonna worry too much about the roof now because I do want to paint that. So let's start off with this hood.
What a bam bam, tawata bam bam. This woman never trouble no one. I'm a lady, I'm not a man. MC is my ambition. I come free nice of Jamaican. So bam bam, tawata bam bam, bam bam dilang, bam bam, bam bam dilang, bam bam. Hey, I'm say what.
Alright, good morning. We're back the next day, quarantine day 4. I'm almost out of coronas, so looks like the virus is almost done, so we're doing pretty good. You guys saw yesterday we detailed it outside. We didn't do the inside, but we detailed the whole outside. We clay barred the whole truck. We scraped all the windows. So that's just the beginning of it. Today we have a pretty long day, so we're gonna try to finish everything that we can today. Everything is pretty much ready to start polishing, so that's the next step. We're gonna get our buffer out, get our microfiber towels out, our compound. I'm gonna start off here with the hood, see how it polishes out, see if it needs a little bit of wet sanding. I don't think we're gonna need, but I'm just gonna do a little bit of piece, check it out, and then from there move on down the sides, and then jump onto the other side. So far so good. Let's begin.
Right, the Christmas lyrics, when you hear them, you sound like Christy Biscuit. You come in at the place, I miss a well, slick. Bam, bam, hey, tawata, bam, 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 dilang, bam, 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 dilang.
We are done with the first step. Now we're gonna move on to our second step.
Bam, bam, this woman, I never trouble no one. I'm a lady, I'm not a man. MC is my ambition. I come free nice of Jamaican. So bam, bam, tawata, bam, 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 dilang, bam, 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 dilang, bam, bam, hey.
We are done polishing the entire car. So I'm gonna start off the ceramic coating and get as far as I can done.
In a Princeton 6, I Nancy write the Christmas lyrics. When you hear them, you sound like Christy Biscuit. You come in at the place and me say, well, slick. Hey, bam, bam, hey, tawata, bam, 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 dilang, bam, 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 dilang, bam, bam, hey, tawata, bam, bam, hey, say what, bam, bam. That's how one them a sing you a come a chant them plan. I told them no no me a one business woman. Sister not say she a one in a 3 million. So bam bam, say what bam bam, bam bam dilang, bam bam, bam bam dilang, bam bam hey. Say go sister Nancy make you go. I tell you say fi go sister Nancy make you go. I know it from me head straight down to my toe. I teach her down, sister Nancy on the go. And some of them a ask her sister Nancy make your bad song. Long down the list, sister Nancy make your bad song. Hey, bam, bam.
Looks sweet. It really does look like a brand new truck. And look at this front grille. This thing hasn't looked like this. It feels really nice and pretty slippery. Feels really smooth. All this front piece here, so that way all the love bugs would just repel right off. So that even if one does get stuck, just with a little pressure washer, you could flake them right off. So I got the grass getting cut now, so this is gonna get all dusted up. But honestly, I'm not even worried about it because we're ceramic coated. So as soon as we go down the road, it's gonna blow right off. Or if not, I just hose it right off and then I drive it down the road. It looks really good. Everything's ceramic coated other than the roof because I want to black out the roof here soon. And the rims, I haven't ceramic coated the rims. I'm in debating if to black them out, gloss or flat, I'm not sure. Comment down below, let me know what would you do. Should I leave them like that from factory or should I paint them gloss black or flat black? But the truck looks amazing. Amazing, like the gloss on the hood, I mean, it is just slick. There's no overspray. Just a little bit of dust from cutting the grass now. But even the dust, I mean, it just, woo. Oh yeah, this is nice. I don't know why I haven't done this on my car a long time ago. Everybody tells me they love it. It's amazing. Well, the thing is that I wanted to wrap my truck. I wanted to wrap it, but I don't know when I'm gonna get to that. So I said, you know what? In the meanwhile, on this quarantine, let's ceramic coat it. So everybody's loving it. Let's do it so that way I can show people how it's done, so I can teach people how to do it. And then also show people what it takes. You know, it's not a super easy process, but it ain't the hardest in the world. And the cool thing is that I know it's known for cars, but you can do it to about anything from a street bike to a side-by-side, to your boat. You know, you could apply it on glass to trim, plastic, decals. You got a car that's wrapped. It does really well for wraps to preserve it, to not fade. So the stuff is really good. I mean, it's really good. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. You guys already know, if you're in the Central Florida area and need some help with your toys or your car, your boat, ceramic coating it, I don't know, let me know so I can check it out. Send me some pictures and we'll see what we can do. So anyways, peace guys. Thank you. Stay hydrated. Peace.